Hey there, this is Laquita with QUITABUGhandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today. So I'm excited to share with you my new online class. It is the Decorated with Happiness online class. This is a Christmas card class. I'm so excited about it. So it features the Decorated with Happiness stamp set. And in this class, you're going to be able to make 6 different cards, 2 of 3 different designs. So I'm going to give you all the details about how you can pre-order this online class. So I've got several different options for you for attending this online class. The first option is to purchase the consumable card kit, where you'll receive all of the materials that you need to make the 6 Christmas cards. Again, there are 2 each of 3 different designs that you'll be making in this kit. The cost is $35. That cost does include shipping, and this is only available in the US. So I'm sorry if you're outside of the US and you are interested in this. It is only available in the US. So again, $35. I have got a direct link for you down below to purchase the consumable kit. It is a PayPal link, so you can just open up the video description and you can pre-order your spot in this online class by paying that link. The second option that I have for you is to receive the consumable card kit, as well as add on the Decorated with Happiness stamp set. So if you would like to get that option where you get the kit and the stamp set, that is $63. Again, that does include shipping. So in order to take advantage of that option, you do have to complete a very short pre-order form. I've got a direct link to that pre-order form down below in the video description. Complete that form, and within 12 to 24 hours, you'll receive an email from me just giving you some details about what you're purchasing, and then you'll receive a PayPal invoice. And just make sure that you pay your invoice by November the 17th, 9 p.m. Central Standard Time, so that you are pre-ordering your spot in this online class. And the third option is, if you're not looking to receive the card kit from me or the stamp set, you just want access to the video tutorial and the downloadable PDF, I have that available for you. The cost is $14.95. I have a direct link down below where you can purchase that option. Just click open the description box and you can get that. Again, it'll be the video tutorial and the downloadable PDF, and that's $14.95. And then the fourth option is an option that is only available to my team of QUITABUG Stampers. So if you're on my team and you want to take this online class, open up that description box and go down to that fourth option, because that option is specifically for you. Okay, so let's go ahead over to the desk. I'm just going to give you a close-up of the projects and what the card kit looks like, and then also share with you what other supplies I'm using in addition to the stamp set. All right, so in addition to the Decorated with Happiness, I will be using 4 different ink pads for this online class: Granny Apple Green, Poppy Parade, Shaded Spruce, and Mint Macaron. So pretty together. So again, if you purchase that second option where you get the stamp set, you have the availability of adding on any of these ink pads if you need them. And then, just so you know, for adhesive, I'm using Stampin' Dimensionals and Stampin' Seal. Okay, so let me just show you the projects again. So this is what your card kit will look like when you receive it from me. So again, you've got all of the consumable supplies that you need to make 6 cards, 2 of each of the different designs. And then you'll also have your 6 envelopes included and a printed version of the PDF, which gives you a color photo of each of the projects and then the measurements for each of the projects. And here are the projects again. So you'll be making 2 of each of these. So cute. And actually, the Decorated with Happiness stamp set does come as a bundle where you can get coordinating dies. But when I had the idea to design this online class, I wanted to design it to where you didn't have to have dies, just to show you don't always have to have the dies. Now, dies are awesome, right? They're amazing. They make cutting images out so convenient. I love dies, but sometimes I like to show that you don't have to have everything to create beautiful projects. So these are the cards. Again, this class closes on November the 17th, which is next Thursday, 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. The class will ship out, the physical class packages will ship out on Monday, November the 28th, okay? Monday, November the 28th. And on that day, day that the class packages ship out. That is also the same day that the email will go out to you guys with the online class video tutorial and the downloadable PDF. So if you are purchasing option number 3, which is getting the video tutorial and that downloadable PDF, you will receive that email with all of that content on Monday, November the 28th. And all of those details will be in the email that you receive from me after you purchase whichever option you choose. So again, just purchasing the consumable card kit, $35. That includes shipping. Direct link down below to purchase it. Option number 2, you get the consumable card kit as well as the Decorated with Happiness stamp set, $63. That includes shipping. You also will have the option to add on the ink pads at the retail value for those. So for this option, you've got the pre-order form down below in the video description. Third option, get access to the video tutorial and the downloadable PDF. And the fourth option, that is specifically for my team of QUITABUG stampers, and that is detailed down below in the video description. Okay, so I hope that you guys are excited about my Decorated with Happiness online class. I'm excited about it. I love offering online classes, so I hope that you will join me for this class. If you have any questions, please let me know. And yeah, don't forget, all the links, all the details are down below in the video description. And I do also have all of this information over on today's coordinating blog post if you're watching this video somewhere else other than YouTube. Okay, thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you have an amazing day, and stay tuned because I'll be back again very soon with another tutorial. Bye now.